Hey friends, if the preview pane is not working on File Explorer on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very easy. Just open the File Explorer and click on this option for view and then enable preview pane. Now, you may still not be able to view something unless you select it. So you have to select something as well. And if this is disabled from here, I mean the preview option will be available, but if it is disabled from here, you won't be able to see the preview pane. And to disable it, you can again disable it using this option. Wait, I'll show you. If you click on it once again, it's gone. So this is the case. And the second one is that if it still doesn't work, then maybe it could be an issue with broken or corrupt system files. So you can perform an SFC scan for it. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.